Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with outside shower, spare tire and carrier, outside speakers, triple step entry, outside kitchen refrigerator, solar power prep, double slides, heated enclosed underbelly, automatic levelers, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, roof ladder, LED exterior lighting, backup camera ready, designer headboard, vanity with sink, mirrored wardrobe doors, AM/FM CD DVD Bluetooth stereo system, bathroom toilet, living room fireplace, U-shaped counter area, bathroom cabinet with mirror, dual bedroom nightstands, wardrobe with storage drawers, oven, sink covers, ceiling fan, high-rise faucet, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, entertainment center. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.